The prophecy of the 7 years of burning weapons is in Ezekiel 39:9. This activity follows the great supper of God, which is the birds eating those who lost that battle. And they that dwell in the cities of Israel shall go forth, and shall set on fire and burn the weapons, both the shields and the bucklers, the bows and the arrows, and the handstaves and the spears, and they shall burn them with fire 7 years. This is a 7-year activity during the beginning of the 1,000-year kingdom age, which is part of the restoration of earth. Without reading the context, some have been confused by 7 years of burning weapons and equate it to the same 7 years, which is Daniel's 70th week. Not so. It is another 7 years after the final week. It is the first 7 years of the next 1,000. When Jesus returns, it is not going to suddenly and supernaturally be a perfect restored planet. Things take time. It'll be a time of restoration, but it is organic and natural. It certainly will take time for those birds to finish their supper. It's as simple as this. The birds clean up the dead from the Battle of Armageddon, and Israel cleans up the weapons by burning them. The new heaven and earth after the kingdom age is when everything is finally recreated and made anew. It's a fresh start, exclusively for the people who have chosen Jesus as their Messiah.